Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with a Tip Tuesday. Now, not too many of us can get colored cardstock, but I have a tip for you. Now, I just did this on my own a few minutes ago and thought I would literally show you how I did it. Now, I turned this white die cut into a gray die cut. How did I do it? And I see I missed some spots. Okay, I just took my white die cut, my gray marker, which is WG3 warm 6 warm gray, and it's a touch sketch marker. It has a fine tip and a what they call it, broad tip, which I call it a chisel tip. And all I did was go over. I took the broad tip and just went over my die cut and just colored the whole thing. I mean, this is great because a lot of us can't get the colored cardstock, or if you use regular printer paper to cut out your dies and stuff, you can do the same thing. Just take a marker. You can use Crayola, you can use any markers that you have to do this. And with that, if you lift a little bit and angle it, you'll be able to tell where there's white areas. And you can color them literally any color that you want. I'm just trying to get my pokey tool. See, I missed a spot here. And I'm trying to get the pieces out of the holes so I can see where I missed. See, I did here, here, and over there. So I'm going to get my chisel tip again. Lift this up again. I see I missed there. I missed part on the hand here, a little there. Because the chisel tip gives you more of a range to color quicker than the fine tip. Okay, so you got that. So you went from this, wait a minute, let me get my other gray one and fix that up. And I think it's this one. I need a chisel tip. And if it's a little bit darker, it gives you shadows. Okay, I miss over here. I can see part of this arrow here. If you can tell, I have some shadows over here. Let me see if I can get it in. Right here, I got shadows. I got shadow here. And I did it all with my marker. I'm going to recolor most of this to get it a little. I'm going to cover over the shadows to try to get this a little darker and color. And all I'm doing is just taking my chisel tip and going over the whole piece here. Okay? Because I want it a little bit darker. I want the whole piece of just a tad bit darker. Okay, and now I see a mist here, and it dries pretty quick, so I got it all except for right here, and I got these two. So let me get something a little bit darker so y'all can see. Let me get this black piece here. See? So we went from the white here to these two colors right there. And you can see the darker areas mean it's not quite dry yet. So I'm going to set these aside. And this one here, I need to color a little more because I see some spots that I missed. So I'm going to go over it one more time to make sure I hit all the spots that I didn't get. I mean, the more you go over it, the darker it gets. So, you know, use those markers, use your Crayola markers, and do this. Because you can go from this to this here. I might have to turn my light around so y'all can see better. So, you know, let's see, I got this. So y'all can go from the white color here, whoops, to this. Whoa, now that doesn't work. Oh, let me see if I can find a black piece of cardstock. I know I have some. I know, in my drawer. Okay, give me just a second here. Apparently I don't have no dark one, no black one here, but I have some projects that I pre-set up that has black cardstock in it. So I'm gonna get a sheet out just to show you guys. Okay, so let me get myself situated here. So we went from this color here, okay, and then we did this color, and I still see some light spots, but I'm gonna leave it like that so it'll give you a little more character. And then we did this color, and then I took a pocket die cut that I had, okay, and I colored that. I took a frame, colored the frame, all with my markers. So there you go. If you got white die cuts, you got only white cardstock, you can do just that. So this will end the video for Tip Tuesday. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be kind, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now. Would you like to see how it went from this to this? Stay tuned.